Entering the world of mirrorless cameras can be both exciting and overwhelming for beginners. Choosing the right camera involves finding a balance between ease of use, impressive image quality, and affordability. In this guide, we'll explore how these factors come together to help you select a camera that supports your creative journey. You'll discover which models offer intuitive controls, deliver stunning photos, and fit comfortably within your budget. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to confidently choose a mirrorless camera that matches your needs and inspires your photography adventure. Mirrorless cameras are designed with beginners in mind, offering features that make the learning process smooth and enjoyable. Intuitive touchscreens allow you to navigate settings and review photos with ease, much like using a smartphone. Simple menus and clearly labeled buttons help you find what you need quickly, reducing confusion and frustration. Many models also include guided interfaces that provide helpful tips and explanations as you shoot, supporting your growth as a photographer. These user-friendly elements ensure that you can focus on capturing great images, rather than getting lost in complicated controls. Image quality is a fundamental aspect when choosing a beginner camera, as it directly impacts the clarity and vibrancy of your photos. Modern mirrorless cameras feature advanced sensors that deliver impressive performance, capturing fine details even in challenging lighting conditions. Image stabilization technology helps reduce blur, ensuring sharp results whether you're shooting handheld or in low light. A wide ISO range allows you to adapt to different environments, maintaining quality without excessive noise. High-resolution capabilities further enhance your images, preserving crispness and vividness, so your memories remain striking whether viewed on screen or in print. Affordability is a major advantage of entry-level mirrorless cameras today. Modern models deliver impressive features such as high-resolution sensors, reliable autofocus, and versatile shooting modes, all at accessible price points. This means beginners can enjoy quality photography without a significant financial commitment. The cost savings also allow for investment in extra lenses or accessories as skills develop, expanding creative possibilities. With technology once reserved for premium cameras now available in budget-friendly options, starting your photography journey has never been more attainable. For those just starting their photography journey, several mirrorless cameras stand out as excellent choices. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is praised for its intuitive interface and dual-pixel autofocus, making it easy for beginners to capture sharp images and learn as they go. The Sony Alpha A6100 offers rapid autofocus performance and impressive image quality, ideal for photographing fast-moving subjects or everyday moments. Meanwhile, the Fujifilm X-T200 combines a compact design with a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and unique film simulation modes, appealing to those who want creative flexibility. Each of these models balances user-friendly features with reliable performance, ensuring a smooth transition into the world of photography. The mirrorless camera market has seen several exciting new releases that expand the choices available to beginners. The Canon EOS R100, launched in July 2023, offers a 24.2 megapixel sensor and user-friendly features, making it an accessible entry point for those new to photography. The Nikon Z5 II, introduced in November 2024, brings robust performance with a full-frame sensor and hybrid autofocus, appealing to both enthusiasts and newcomers. Meanwhile, the Panasonic Lumix S9 stands out with its compact design, 24.2 megapixel sensor, and advanced 6K video capabilities, now available at a reduced price. These recent developments provide beginners with a wider range of affordable, intuitive, and high-quality options to kickstart their photography journey.